If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To adjust the brightness and contrast of a selected raster layer or smart object layer in the Layers panel of Photoshop, select Image, Adjustments, Brightness/Contrast from the menu bar to show the adjustment settings in the Brightness Contrast dialog box that opens. Then make sure the Preview checkbox in the dialog box is checked to preview your changes. Alternatively, to apply this adjustment as an adjustment layer above the layer currently selected in the Layers panel, click the Brightness/Contrast button in the Adjustments panel to add a new Brightness Contrast adjustment layer to the Layers panel and show the same adjustment settings in the Properties panel. To adjust the brightness of the layer, click and drag the Brightness slider or enter a value into its adjacent field. To adjust the contrast of the layer, click and drag the Contrast slider or enter a value into its adjacent field. To instead apply automatic brightness and contrast adjustments, click the Auto button. Normally, Photoshop applies nonlinear brightness and contrast adjustments to the layer. However, to apply the older linear adjustments to all pixels, which is not recommended for photos, check the Use Legacy checkbox before making your brightness and contrast adjustments. To apply the brightness and contrast adjustments if using the dialog box, click the OK button. Alternatively, to cancel the adjustment, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.